I don't think I can find ever right words to describe how much I love nature. Every time I came in this place, it's make me fall in love with it more and more. Nature is a silent explosion of life and it's so quite peaceful in some way. Nature is full of beauty and everything is full of life. The trees is dancing when the winds are blowing. And the beautiful birds are singing. And all I can do is stop and listen to it. The melody fills with my heart and my soul with peace. And it touches my soul. I can't imagine myself without this beautiful nature. I can see myself being the part of it. This place was so amazing. It gave me so much joy and love. I'm so in love with this place. It's so peaceful, quiet, and somehow. Every time I came here, I see something different, and it's great to experience it again. The sun shines so beautifully, and it signifies the new beginning of life. The sunset brings the magical feelings of night, and it's time to rest and prepare for the next day of life.